Welcome to HealthCare Plus. What are the 20 foods you can eat on the 2020 diet? Here are 20 more foods that you can eat friendly for 2020 diet. 1. Whole eggs. 2. Leafy greens. 3. Salmon. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. 5. Lean beef and chicken breast. 6. Boiled potatoes. 7. Tuna. 8. Beans and legumes. 9. Soups. 10. Cottage cheese. 11. Avocados. 12. Apple cider vinegar. 13. Nuts. 14. Whole grains. 15. Chili pepper. 16. Fruits. 17. Grapefruit. 18. Chia seeds. 19. Coconut oil. 20. Full-fat yogurt. If you want to diet within 1 week, please below check link in descriptions. If you want more about diet, please subscribe our channel.